The QDB file holds the core of your Quicken financial world. Account balances, transaction histories, budgets, and investment portfolios all in one database. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and protect these critical financial files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful QDB file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. QDB files are financial data files from older versions of Quicken, containing complete personal finance databases. They store bank account transactions, credit card records, investment portfolios, budgets, bill payment schedules, and financial report configurations within Quicken's proprietary database format. Quicken QDB data files use a proprietary database structure storing account definitions with transaction journals, category hierarchies, payee lists, budget allocations, investment lot tracking, reconciliation records, and scheduled transaction templates with optional password encryption. The QDB format has primary linkage to the Quicken application by Quicken Inc. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows can show basic information, but fully understanding the data requires the program that created it. To start the process, right-click your QDB file and select Open With. If you have Quicken installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If you cannot access the QDB file, no problem. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this QDB error to appear? First, opening in Quicken. Launch Quicken and open the QDB file using File, then open Quicken File. If using a newer Quicken version, the application may prompt to convert the file to the current QDF format. Allow the conversion to proceed, maintaining a backup of the original QDB file before migration. Next, migrating to current Quicken. If the QDB file is from a significantly older Quicken version, you may need an intermediate version to bridge the conversion. Install a compatible intermediate Quicken version. Convert the QDB file, then open the converted file in your current Quicken installation. Intuit provides migration guidance on their support site. Finally, protecting financial data. Backup QDB files regularly to secure storage. Enable Quicken's password protection through File then Password to prevent unauthorized access. Store backups on encrypted external drives or secure cloud storage. Maintain multiple backup generations to protect against file corruption or accidental data loss. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.